Welcome back to GPT Construction, Masonry and Design. Just want to walk you around this backyard we just finished. It had an existing swimming pool. We dialed in the corner here with an outdoor kitchen, and like always, seat walls around the swimming pool. There it is. So this client had this pad poured here. He's been doing this yard in stages. So we came in and did this beautiful little seat wall here off his outdoor kitchen. Nice little bar. This is kind of what we call a freestanding bar. It's only a block wide. It's great when we're kind of tight on space. Look at that beautiful cantilever. Bam. This is redwood with the little aged leather underneath. Just beautiful. Bam. As always, when it's up to us, we go with the sunstone barbecue and side burner. This is the 36-inch umbrella sleeves on both ends. Yep, little stone deco right there. It was either diamonds or me come up with something, and I laid this little swoopy in there. Tell me what you think about it. Bam, there it is. As always, low voltage lights throughout on every seat wall, spread around the whole yard. He's gonna cry tonight. So thanks again for coming by the channel. We are GPT Construction, Masonry and Design, where everything we do is built to last. And remember, always say no to prefab.